Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will understand one of the key pillars of total productive maintenance, TPM, called Kobetsu Kaizen, also known as focused improvement. In today's competitive manufacturing environment, industries face problems like breakdowns, defects, and low productivity. To overcome these issues, TPM uses Kobetsu Kaizen as a structured method to continuously remove inefficiencies from machines and processes. So, what is Kobetsu Kaizen? It is a Japanese concept where Kobetsu means focused and Kaizen means continuous improvement. Together, it refers to targeted improvement activities aimed at eliminating chronic losses in production systems. The main goal is to improve overall equipment effectiveness, OEE, by reducing waste such as breakdowns, defects, and stoppages. The key idea is simple. Instead of general improvements, it focuses on specific recurring problems. The objective is to achieve zero breakdowns, zero defects, and maximum efficiency. Common losses in manufacturing include equipment breakdowns, setup and adjustment losses, speed losses, defects and rework, minor stoppages, energy and material waste. Kobetsu Kaizen works to eliminate these losses permanently. The method follows 7 steps. Select problem. Study current condition. Identify abnormalities. Root cause analysis. Plan improvements. Implement solutions. Standardize results. It is team-based, data-driven, and focused on chronic problems to build a continuous improvement culture. In simple terms, Kobetsu Kaizen means find losses, analyze root causes, eliminate them permanently, and continuously improve performance. To conclude, Kobetsu Kaizen is not just a tool, but a mindset for achieving higher efficiency, better quality, and sustainable productivity in manufacturing.